Hey guys, I am back with another summer recipe. Today I'm showing you how to make a peach and blueberry puff pastry tart. I love recipes like this in the summer. They're so quick and easy to whip up. I got some fresh peaches. I'm going to start by slicing them up. I like to keep the skin on. I'm going to add my peaches into a glass bowl. I'm going to mix it around with some caster sugar to give it a bit of sweetness and some corn flour, which is going to soak up some of the juice from the peaches. Take your shop bought puff pastry and roll that out. If there's any little tears, just rub those back together. I'm going to go for a long tart, but it's up to you if you want to make small short ones or different shaped tarts. And I always like to use a pizza cutter as it gives me a nice straight line. I'm going to go right down the middle, cutting through. I will be able to get 2 long tarts out of this one sheet of pastry. I like to pop my second half back in the fridge so it doesn't get too soft. Taking a sharp knife, I'm going to score a border around the edge, and then the fruit's going to sit in the middle. The reason we do this is so the puff pastry puffs up around the fruit in the middle. We don't want the centre to puff up as much. I'm going to use my fork, poke a load of holes into the centre. This will also help the pastry to breathe. Arrange your chopped peaches into the centre. You really want to pat these tight, as once it's gone in the oven, those peaches really start to shrink down. Now go ahead and fill any of those gaps with some fresh blueberries. All that's left to do is to give the edges a brush with some egg wash. This is going to give the pastry a real lovely golden colour. And now that is ready to go straight into the oven. I'm going to make a vanilla glaze to drizzle on top of my puff pastry tart. It's going to add a real nice bit of sweetness. It's super simple to make. I've got some icing sugar. I'm going to pour in some vanilla extract. And then you want to add in your milk until you have your desired thickness. Up to you how thick or runny you'd like it to be. Once you've added on the icing, you can either eat it straight away while it's still lovely and warm, or let that icing set. But that is how you make my puff pastry peach and blueberry tart. Easy.